This trick saved me a lot of money. Pour dish soap into an ice cube tray, filling each slot halfway. Then add a little toothpaste to each one. It has natural cleaning properties, refreshes, and its mild abrasiveness helps remove dirt. Add a bit of baking soda, which neutralizes odors, freshens, and boosts cleaning power. Mix everything well with a stick so the ingredients combine. When the mixture is ready, place the tray in the freezer and let the cubes harden. Once frozen, pop them out. Now take a regular sponge and carve a small pocket in it, then slide one cube inside. During cleaning, the cube slowly dissolves, releasing a thick, effective foam. One cube lasts for several washes. And there's more. You can also drop a cube into the toilet tank. With every flush, it releases a fresh scent and helps keep the toilet clean. These homemade cubes can save you a lot on household chores.